Alexandra? Yeah? We're gonna see if Alexandra will go down this slide. They have a lifeguard for kids. And on this slide, Maria can go down with Alexandra so they can hold hands. See the little zebras. There's some inner tubes. This is a kids park. Let's see if they're going there. They're heading towards the back now. Let's see, they're gonna go up. No, vas tú. Tú primero. ¿Ah? Sí, vete. Y los dos. Tú sienta en uno. Sí, aquí. Tú sienta en uno, él en otro. Y tú coge el mano y se va. Se baja. Okay. I'm going to cut the video short and hopefully continue where we left off once they're able to get back up there. So you can see how the kids sit in the inner tube and are able to come down. Well, maybe we'll just hold on and wait. It'll be a couple of seconds until they get up. Let's see another kid go down and see how that all works out. Looks like there's not a lot of fear involved. There is a little bit of screaming and a little bit of splashing. It's not very deep, so it's a pretty safe slide. There is a lifeguard up there. Let's see if Maria and Alexandra have made it to the top and should be coming out quite soon now. There they are. Okay. Alexandra sits in one and Maria sits in the other, and they hold hands, and they're going down the slide now. Right, there's some people in the way. Okay, here they go. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Good?
Hold on, Aaron. We're gonna
again.
We're gonna go for a walk first, okay? And then we'll come back.
Okay, Alexandra, was it good? Alexandra, was it good?
Again.
Huh?
Again.
Again? Okay. Bye-bye.